Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's me, James, and if you are looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or just improve the overall health of your YouTube channel, then you are in the right spot, because in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a free, simple tool that I used to grow my channel from 0 to 2,000 subscribers. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm James, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking us out if you're new here. And if you're already a part of the channel family, word up. You mean the world to me. No, seriously, I just wanted to take a quick little moment to share something that helped grow my channel from 0 to 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 channel family members, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Because I know what it's like to be at 0 and trying to grow. I know what it's like to not even have been started and even just trying to figure out what you need to do to get in the door. And these little tools and this company and this service absolutely changed the game for me. I know personally, it definitely changed the game. And if you're not sure and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about the one, the only Tubebuddy, okay? I'm not gonna be here long, but I did want to talk to you guys about one of my favorite tools in Tubebuddy that I believe helped me grow my channel from 0 to 2,000 like that. Like I said, y'all, I'm not gonna be here long. I just wanted to share a little bit about the tool and the tricks and the tips that I use to help grow my channel, and one of them is the Tubebuddy tags. Now, if you are not familiar with Tubebuddy at all, they are an online Chrome extension for YouTube that you can plug into your YouTube channel that is going to give you so much, okay? So much to be able to grow your channel, from SEO optimization, from thumbnail curation. They help you make your thumbnail, to so many different things. The tags that I'm gonna talk about, keywords, being able to have your video rank in search. So when somebody searches up how to do this, your video comes up. So many different things. And guys, they have all of this for free. Granted, they do have a paid portion, but I wanted to show you guys that you can get started with this tool today because it's absolutely free. And a disclaimer, I am an affiliate with them. I did just join their affiliate program, which I'm super excited about. So if you guys do want to support the channel, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Like I said, you guys can check them out for free. They do have paid options. I believe the lowest one starts at like $7.20 all the way up to $39.20 a month. But the lowest package is still way less. I think the mid package is even less than what you would pay for Netflix a month. And if this is going to help progress your business and progress who you are and progress your influence, then I say go for it. But again, you can do what I am about to show you with the free section, okay? So let's go on ahead and jump into this. So just a little bit of background about who Tubebuddy is really quick. Tubebuddy was launched in December 2014, but they have been building tools in the YouTube space and helping YouTubers since before Google owned it, okay? And that's been over 14 years, okay? Their motivation, I'm just gonna read this from them. We report to you. We strive to keep you happy and help you succeed on YouTube, not to squeeze every last dollar out of you to satisfy an investor. Which is so important, and you can tell that in their mission. Being a YouTuber is tough. Our mission is to build tools that help you and the entire YouTube community be a happier and more productive bunch. Y'all, that is golden, okay? They are here to help us grow our YouTube channels. Let's take advantage of this. I know I am, and that's why I'm on here today talking to you guys about this simple free tool that I use to grow my YouTube channel, okay? So with that being said, let's go on ahead and actually talk about this tool. And to do that, we're gonna hop into my computer. This is my first time doing this, guys, so bear with me, but it should come out great. So with that being said, let's jump into the computer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of give you guys a quick overview of how to use the tools the way that I use them, and how they can help grow your channel. And I'm telling you guys, This is super simple. It's gonna seem like I'm going really fast because of how simple it is, but it really is that simple. So I'm in the reaction niche. I'm a singer, songwriter, and I do a couple of other things, but I also do reactions on YouTube. I have a lot of fun and I get to learn about new music. So I'm going to do that niche, but you can do this with any niche: fitness, meditation, how to grow flowers, how to train your pet, whatever niche you're in, whatever you do, this works as well. So because I'm in the reaction niche, I'm just gonna check out reactions. So reactions, I'm just gonna type that in, very generic. If I could spell, I've already got it up here. Okay, so as you can see, there are some videos that show up. And let's just check out this one. Okay, now the Tubebuddy Chrome extension is going to show up in your, I guess this is kind of the top right, but it's gonna be on the top right section, and it's gonna kind of be this little thing. You click on it and it will show you all of your dashboard. It's gonna show you the keyword explorer, so many different things that you can just go into, but we're not gonna be talking about that. I will make another video about how to use these tools as well, but today we're talking about tags. So let's get back to the tags. As you can see on this section, it kind of just gives you a summary of the video. This video got 2.7 million views, 47,000 likes, 11,000 comments, and that's what Tubebuddy is going to do. They're gonna show you analytics, but because a lot of people are connected to YouTube, you have the ability to see what they are doing and what's working for them as well, which is what I love. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Tubebuddy extension, it has the tag section, and that's what we're talking about today. So with these tags, that is going to tell YouTube what you are talking about, okay? Especially if you're new and you're a beginner and you don't have a track record for them to know, for the algorithm to pick anything up on you, you use the tags, and it helps to explain yourself, for lack of a better expression, to the algorithm, so the algorithm can pick you up and show you to your best target audience, okay? So, this video is titled Righteous Brothers Unchained Melody Reaction. Okay, that's gonna be right here. Now, if you go down to her tags, the first 3 tags is the title of her video. Righteous Brothers Unchained Melody Reaction. Plain and simple, right there. So what you wanna do, and what she didn't do, and I suggest that you do, is use every character that Tubebuddy and YouTube gives you to fill in as much information as possible, because the more information that you give YouTube, the more they have to put you in front of your target audience. So what you want to do is take those tags and put them in your title organically. You want to take those tags and put them in your description organically and in the tags section. All of that is going to give YouTube and honestly, you want to speak your tags in your video as well organically, because that metadata is going to pick up and tell YouTube, okay, this is what this video is about. And just to show you guys another example, I'm gonna go back and we can check out, I've done some videos for Morissette Amon. She's an amazing singer from the Philippines. Just to show you guys as the Tubebuddy extension uploads. So again, Tubebuddy is going to show you all of the analytics, the video analytics. It's going to show you the channel analytics. 17.9 million views this channel has, and as you can see, he's filled up his tag section, which is what you want to do, especially when you're a beginning YouTuber and YouTube doesn't have much information about you. So as you can see, he has filled in his tags section, okay? And you want to take your tags, like I said, and organically put them into your title, okay? So it links there. So now you have 2 links. And then you want to take also the tags again and put them organically in your description. So when you write out your description, make sure that you are putting in there your tags organically. So you want to say, for example, this is a Morissette Amon reaction video. You can say, I am doing currently a reaction to Morissette Amon, and I am excited about, you know, getting to experience this with my audience, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You get it from there. So from there, what Tubebuddy did, okay, this is the super ninja cool trick that they did, okay? You can actually, you can actually copy. As you see, you hit this little copy button right here, copy to, okay? You can copy the tags of people's videos who are performing extremely well. Like this guy, 24,000 views. That's not, you know, that's pretty good. Now what I usually do is I'll go around and I will look at the different tags on different YouTube videos to see in my niche and on the type of video that I'm going to be creating, I will see what fits best with my voice in my YouTube video and what is actually going to be in the YouTube video. And I will take those, I'll copy in, and then I will hop over into my channel. I already have a video pulled up of mine. So you go down to where YouTube allows you to put in tags, and you hit Control or whatever you do to paste it, but you paste it into the tags section. And again, like I said, you want to make sure if you are copying tags from other people that you configure it and that it's more designed for you, your voice, your video, and your channel, because what you don't want to do is get clickbaity and just have, you know, random tags in your video, and that's not what your video is about. So as you can see, this is my video about Morissette Amon, and I do have tags about Morissette Amon and reactions and all that kind of stuff and different songs by her, but I'm not going to, because I see a video of Beyonce blowing up, I'm not going to take tags from that video and put it in my tags description or my title or anything like that, because it will be a lie. My video isn't about Beyonce, but because I use those tags, I'm getting some of her eyes over here, and YouTube, they don't like that, okay? So what you want to do is not lie, not be clickbaity. You want to use tags in your tag box and in your description and in your title that pertain to your video. And that's it, guys. And like I said, there's other things that pertain to getting people to click on your video to make sure that you have an intriguing thumbnail. You want to make sure that you that your description is written out well, that you use the keyword function that I'm going to show you guys how to use in another YouTube video. But Tubebuddy is the extension that is going to help you grow your channel, guys. I'm telling you, this is what I did. I started off getting maybe 100 views, and now I'm getting 4 and 5, sometimes 50,000 views a video now, because I implemented the simple free trick strategy from Tubebuddy by taking the tags and implementing them in the correct way and using them to my advantage, because it's there and most people don't even use. As you saw, the first girl, she didn't have many tags in her tag box, okay? I use every character they give me, okay, guys? Guys, that is really it. That's the magic trick. That's the tip. That's what I have for you guys today. If you liked this and you want to hear more about my Tubebuddy experience, I'm going to be doing kind of like a small series on Tubebuddy, explaining more about the keywords and other functions that Tubebuddy offers. If you want to follow that journey, if you liked what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button, join the channel family. And again, if you want to stay up to date on everything that I'm going to be talking about with Tubebuddy, how to grow your YouTube channel as a small YouTuber, go on ahead and hit that bell notification icon. And like I said, I am a part of the affiliate program. It would be awesome and it would support my channel so much if you guys would use my link. If you do want to check them out, even if it is the free section, whatever you do, use Tubebuddy today. Get started. And if you haven't started your YouTube video, if you haven't started your YouTube channel, get started today. I'm telling you guys, you will not regret it. I am B. James, and I will see you guys in the next one.